Adhafera chicken harness with leash, upgraded double adjustment chicken harness and leash set for hens, duck, goose, small pet. Upgrade adjustment design. In the neck of the chicken harness adds a hook and loop fasteners adjustment and snap adjustment structure, with the snap adjustment on the chest, to create the right size for your chicken to wear. 2 size options, triple adjustment, more convenient to use, without worrying about slipping out or choking. Tiimmgaal chicken harness and leash, modified adjustable breathable harness specially designed for rooster and hens duck goose training and walking. Comfortable size, chicken will be very happy. For PCS chicken harness and leash set with adjustable upgrade and improvement breathable comfortable suitable for 2 to 9.5 IB chicken, duck. Chicken vegetable hanging feeder toy for hens pet chicken veggies skewer fruit holder for hens large bird. The feeder skewer built with 304 stainless steel, rust-proof and safe for your favorite pets. The pet fruit holder with stronger chain with max 10 pounds weight load capacity, adjustable length, max to 24-inch, suitable for cages or more situations. 9.2-inch long enough chicken veggies fork easy to skewer a cabbage, or a lettuce for chicken or large and medium bird such as African grey macaws Eclectus amazona. Easy use bird treat holder, skewer tomato, apple, cabbage corn or other vegetables fruits easily. DIY chicken feeder rain-proof poultry feeder port gravity feed kit for buckets, barrels, bins, troughs. Easy install, come with a 3.15-inch/80 mm hole saw, make an outdoor chicken feeder in a minute. Come with 4 chicken feeder ports and 1 hole saw. No matter 5-gallon buckets or larger box, you can always make an auto chicken feeder with easy. This PVC pipe feeder was covered in rainproof design, come with connect seal, keep dry,